welcome to Jaguar Land Rover. Today we're going to look at this 2019 Toyota RAV4 LE. It is a great value vehicle and it does come with the Toyota safety sense, which is awesome and is standard on all Toyotas. Now what's nice about this is it does have plenty of room for a compact SUV in the rear trunk area. Now also what's nice about this is it does have plenty of room in the second row, which is uncommon in a compact SUV. Now one thing I do like about this vehicle is for a Toyota, I think it does have some updated features in here in the way they did the interior, so it does look a little better and a little more finished. I want to thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you have any questions about this vehicle or anything else on the lot, please feel free to give me a call or come inside the showroom and ask for me. My name is Jordan. I hope you all have a wonderful rest of the day.